Pi, the local badge of the Pi organization, stays the greatest upcoming digital money, with no authority delivery date set almost 4 years after it was entirely declared. Yet, what is Pi organization, and might we at any point make a Pi network cost forecast? We should investigate and see what we can figure it out. What is Pi organization? Pi organization is a computerized cash project that plans to keep digital money mining open, as the centralization of original monetary standards like Bitcoin has put mining them past the compass of numerous regular clients. The Pi organization, created by a group of Stanford College graduates, empowers clients to mine Pi digital currency coins utilizing work area and cell phone applications, approving exchanges on a dispersed record, dissimilar to hubs on organizations. For example, Bitcoin that utilization confirmation of work conventions. Pi hubs utilize a calculation in view of the Heavenly Agreement Convention. Pi hubs approve exchanges on a dispersed record and arrive at an agreement on the request for new exchanges that the record records. Under SCP, Pi hubs structure security circles, or gatherings, of 3 to 5 believed individuals known to every one of the organization's clients. Security circles construct a worldwide trust network that forestalls deceitful exchanges, as exchanges must be approved on the common record on the off chance that the believed hubs support them. The Pi mining application goes about as a cryptographic money wallet, connected to a client's cell phone number or Facebook account. Likewise with other public blockchains, the Pi blockchain will permit outside wallets to hold Pi coins and submit exchanges straightforwardly to the blockchain. In any case, not at all like other blockchains, its engineers have not yet delivered its source code. There is still no sign when, or on the other hand if, the 35 million purported trailblazers who mine on the Pi organization are truly going to profit from their coins. Starting around the 3rd of February 2023, still no coins formally are being exchanged. The organization's mainnet has not been sent off, and there have been no exchanges or fiat rewards. This makes it hard to lay out the value of Pi coin. It is essential to recognize Pi organization's coin from the Pi organization DEFI token, which runs on the Binance blockchain and is accessible for exchanging on the PancakeSwap decentralized trade, with marking in view of the numerical steady P. Stage 1 of the task sent off on Pi Day, 14 Walk 2019, with a free Pi mining application. By June, the organization had in excess of 100,000 dynamic clients. After a year, when Stage 2 sent off, there were more than 3.5 million clients. The application began running notices in May 2020 to give a wellspring of funding to the undertaking. On 15 Walk 2022, the Pi organization declared its client base had moved to 33 million, over 2 times the 14 million clients in Walk 2021. As with other cryptos, for example, Bitcoin, Pi was intended to go through ordinary dividing to safeguard its shortage. Splitting is the point at which the quantity of coins an excavator gets for handling new exchanges is decreased considerably. This typically happens when a specific achievement is reached. Pi's mining rate divided from 1.6p to 0.8p an hour when it arrived at 100,000 clients, split again to 0.4p an hour when it arrived at 1 million, and divided again to 0.2p when it arrived at 10 million clients. The prizes will keep on dividing, arriving at 0 when the organization arrives at 1 billion clients. In November 2021, the advancement group began delivering tech and item refreshes. These incorporated its pilot Know Your Client application and Block Adventurer. The KYC application pilot, having been tried with local area mediators, was sent on a restricted premise to begin the most common way of confirming trailblazers and to work on the application's convenience and machine mechanization. The Pi Block Voyager, which assists pioneers with seeing the exchange history and investigate exchange information like shipper, collector, and sum, was additionally sent. The Pi wallet was likewise refreshed, empowering the engineers to make message pop-ups to caution pioneers when they get an installment on the blockchain, and fixing a bug for Android clients who couldn't see their wallet passphrase. Pi organization sent off an encased mainnet on the 28th of December 2021 to keep testing in front of its full send-off. It likewise presented another mining system and foundation to give spearheads a reproduction of the forthcoming mining recipe. What is the eventual fate of Pi coin? Presently, banter go on with regards to whether Pi organization is a benevolent drive or a trick. In the event that it is a trick, it's anything but a customary one in the style of a Ponzi plot. As clients are not putting away their cash, they are effective money management time on their cell phones. The association has been reprimanded for supposedly taking advantage of its local area by promoting to arrive at these 35 million clients. That figure comes from a declaration the stage made on Twitter on the 19th of May 2022. There have been no reports in regards to the absolute number of trailblazers since. Notwithstanding, early adopters are gathering the Pi crypto in expectation that the cost will rise pointedly after the organization goes live. albeit the coin's mining rate has been diminished by splitting. Clients can expand their mining rate by interfacing with other dynamic excavators. New clients can join the Pi organization in the event that they have a reference code from another client. The task's engineers guarantee that security on the Pi organization is improved by these individual organizations, empowering clients to get loved ones, which has fueled wariness that it very well may be a staggered promoting or fraudulent business model. Nonetheless, it is significant that clients can procure coins from their own immediate organizations, and not from their associations' organizations, similarly as with a MLM plot. Pi organization has kept on demanding it isn't running an underlying coin offering or crowdfunding deal, and coins that can be mined on the encased mainnet at present stay in the environment. On 11/2022, the designers said that the encased organization period would give pioneers time to elapse KYC confirmation, change the mainnet, and add more applications. They didn't say when the organization will become open, just that the encased organization time frame is in accordance with Pi's vision of a utility-based environment and its iterative way of thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note that the mainnet has not yet been sent off, and the costs displayed on specific trades are for IOUs that may not be adaptable across trades. Satisfy DYOR and tread carefully. In that capacity, any Pi organization cost expectation for 2023 and onwards, up to Pi organization cost forecasts for 2030, would be exceptionally speculative. The Pi coin esteem in 2030 could rely upon when the cryptographic money goes live for exchanging and how well it performs after the send-off. Gauges from certain clients via web-based entertainment range from $1 to many dollars. It is vital to remember that digital currency markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges, for example, for the Pi cryptographic money esteem in 2025. Thusly, examiners can and do misunderstand their expectations. We suggest that you generally do your own examination and consider the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and basic investigation, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any speculation choice. Never contribute beyond what you can bear to lose. Whether the Pi coin is a reasonable venture for your portfolio is a choice no one but you can make. Make sure to constantly do your own exploration, and never put away cash you can't bear to lose. Cryptographic forms of money are profoundly unstable resources, and there is vulnerability encompassing the Pi organization specifically as it still can't seem to authoritatively send off. The venture's designers guarantee that the organization is secure, while pundits guarantee that it very well may be a fraudulent business model. You ought to do your own exploration to shape a view on the venture's security. Recollect never to contribute or exchange with more cash than you can stand to lose. At the hour of composing on the 3rd of February 2023, the coin has not been formally sent off, so anticipating its future with any level of accuracy is incomprehensible. Whether you accept any Pi coin gauge is a choice no one but you can make. As usual, you ought to do your own examination and never contribute beyond what you can bear to lose.